And so we invite you for a moment again to lean back and perhaps close your eyes if you wish. It helps sometimes not to get distracted. So as you close your eyes right now, and you wish to have a tangible interaction with us or experience, we will visit with you right now, in your room, wherever you are right now. And if you wish, we will touch the back of your hand, either the left or the right hand, or your forehead if you wish. You choose. And now, dear ones, with your permission, we will come into your room. You might not necessarily see us, but we will increase our energies around you. You might hear a slight ringing in your ears, a ringing. And this ringing might get a little bit stronger. We are with you now. And when we are ready, we will touch the back of your hand or forehead. You might feel a slight flutter or tingling, or any other sensation, maybe a cold or a hot spot. Right now. You are loved deeply. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes. You can request our presence whenever you wish.